How to fix our download shortcut not working on your iPhone. So if you want to fix our download shortcut not working on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just open up your shortcuts application. So search for shortcuts. After that, tap on the application. Now once you're here, you need to search for the R shortcut. Once you find your R shortcut, you need to go with the three dots, which will be on the right side, and then delete the shortcut. After deleting your shortcut, you need to go back and then open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with my Chrome browser. After opening your browser, you can also go with your Safari as well. Search for R download shortcut. And after searching, you will have the R download. You need to just simply go with the first website and then go with download shortcut. Now just wait for a few seconds and it will directly take you to your shortcuts application. Go with setup shortcut, which will be in the bottom, and then go with next. And that's it. The shortcut has been added. That's how you can solve our download shortcut not working on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.